nitration reaction. Benzene is going to react with nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid. And if you just heat it, it forms nitrobenzene. Benzene is going to react with the nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid. Sorry, it forms nitrobenzene. This reaction is known as nitration reaction, and the mixture of 2:1, 2 moles of nitric acid and 1 mole of sulfuric acid is called as nitrating mixture. Please remember this: 2 mole of nitric acid, 1 mole of sulfuric acid is called as nitrating mixture. So this benzene, in presence of these two acids, nitric acid and sulfuric acid, it forms nitrobenzene. This reaction is known as nitration. Nitration of benzene or nitration reaction. So coming to the mechanism. In step 1, nitric acid and sulfuric acid is going to react. And it forms nitronium ion plus H, SO4 minus plus H3O plus. So it forms three molecules. Nitronium ion, NO2 plus, HSO4 minus, bisulfite base, sodium bisulfite base, and protonated water. Amongst these three, this one is also electrophile, this one is also electrophile, but here this is more strong electrophile compared to this. That's why in this, amongst these two electrophiles, this nitronium ion is going to react in the next step, because it is very strong electrophile compared to protonated water. So when we split this particular nitric acid and sulfuric acid, these are the three molecules which are formed. Clear? Nitronium ion, bisulfite base, and a protonated. In the second step, the nitronium ion is going to attack benzene, which is of the one more reactant. So where this nitronium ion uses this pair of electrons, this pi electrons from this benzene, forms a bond with the carbon. And the adjacent carbon gets a positive charge. So suppose if it utilizes this pi electrons and forms a bond here, the adjacent carbon, this next adjacent carbon will get a positive charge. So here what I have drawn here, which leads to a carbocation. This carbocation further it undergoes resonance effect. Movement of this pi electrons from these two carbon to here, and this positive charge will shift from here to here. And in this second resonance structure, this pi bond electrons will move from these two here to here, and the positive charge will shift from here to here, which leads to third resonance structure. So when we combine all these three, it forms a resonance hybrid structure 4, which indicates the positive charge is distributed throughout the molecule, and so by nitrogen taking pi electrons from benzene forms a bond with the carbon, and the adjacent carbon gets a positive charge. This undergoes resonance effect, leading to this structure. This also undergoes resonance effect. This also leads to this third resonance structures, and when we combine all these three resonance structures, it forms structure 4, which indicates the positive charge is distributed throughout the molecule because of the resonance effect. So this particular structure, what I have drawn, is what is there that of the same general mechanism what I have written earlier, what I have discussed earlier. So that's why I said it's very important. Please remember this. This particular step is there for all the 5 reactions. And this particular step only, it's called as electrophilic substitution mechanism. Here what happens is, I've forgotten to write one more thing. Here the H is there. Just know, here the nitro group is added, but you are removing hydrogen from this particular position, carbon atom. That's why it is called as substitution. Nitrogen is substituted to hydrogen. That's why it is called as substitution reaction. Clear? Actually, usually we will not write this hydrogen, but just to understand the mechanism, I have written this. When this nitrogen is added to this carbon, it's already having one hydrogen with this. But in the later stages, this hydrogen is removed. This is a resonance hybrid, which indicates the carbon is attached with hydrogen as well as nitrogen, and the positive charge is distributed throughout the molecule, and this leads to resonance stabilization. And this particular structure number 4 is called as aranium ion or a benzonium ion. Aranium ion or a benzonium ion. Earlier, once it utilizes pi bond electron and forms a bond with this, the adjacent carbon gets a positive charge. It is called as carbocation. But when this carbocation undergoes these 3 resonance structures, it forms structure 4, a resonance hybrid benzonium ion. Or aranium ion. Aranium ion, benzonium ion or a aranium ion. This structure, that is structure 4 resonance hybrid, is called as benzonium ion or a aranium ion, because what it indicates is the positive charge is distributed throughout the benzene molecule. It is purely because of the resonance effect or delocalization of pi electrons. That's why it is called as benzonium ion or aranium ion. So the first structure we call it as carbocation, simple carbocation. Because of the use of pi electrons, the adjacent carbon gets a positive charge. This is called as carbocation. This particular carbocation will undergo resonance effect to form these 3 structures, and when we combine these 3 structures, it forms a 4th structure, resonance hybrid. This resonance hybrid, what it indicates is the positive charge is distributed throughout the molecule. It is purely because of resonance effect, delocalization of pi electrons, and this leads to the formation of more stable hybrid, and this hybrid is called as benzonium ion or aranium ion. Clear? So in this particular benzonium ion, in the next step, is going to react with the bisulfite base, which is formed in the step 1. This bisulfite base will abstract a proton from this benzonium ion. From this benzonium ion. Thus, when it abstracts hydrogen as a proton, the bond electron between carbon and hydrogen will move towards benzene to regain the pi bond. To regain the pi bond. So here, when this bisulfite base, which is formed in step 1, is going to react in the third step, this pulls the hydrogen as proton. This hydrogen leaves behind the bond electrons to carbon, and this carbon will try to regain the pi bond which is lost by the attack of nitronium ion. So it regains. Thus, ultimately, what is formed is an electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, and the product is nitrobenzene. And the product is nitrobenzene. And this, I'll just repeat this once again. Nitration reaction means the benzene is going to react with nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid. When you heat it, it forms nitrobenzene. This reaction is known as nitration reaction, nitration of benzene, and the mixture of 2:1, 2 moles of nitric acid, 1 mole of sulfuric acid is called as nitrating mixture. Coming to the mechanism, in step 1, the nitric acid and sulfuric acid are going to react each other to generate nitronium ion, bisulfite base, protonated water. Amongst these three, bisulfite base, it is a base, it is a nucleophile, whereas nitronium ion and protonated water, these are the two electrophiles. But when you compare the strength of these two, this is strong and highly reactive, this is weak and less reactive. So in next step, nitronium ion is going to react rather than protonated water. So this nitronium ion is an electrophile, attacks benzene, takes the pi bond electrons and forms the bond with that carbon, and the adjacent carbon gets a positive charge, and this is called as carbocation, or structure 1 of the resonance structure 1, which is called as carbocation. And this carbocation undergoes resonance effect. That is, the movement of pi electrons takes place from these two carbons to these two carbon, and the positive charge will shift from this carbon to this carbon, which leads to a structure 2. And this structure 2 also undergoes resonance effect, where there is a movement of these pi electrons from here to here takes place, and the positive charge will shift from here to here. That leads to third resonance structure. So when we combine all these three resonance structures, it forms a structure 4, which indicates a dotted circle with a positive charge, indicates the positive charge is distributed throughout the molecule because of the resonance effect, or because of the delocalization of pi electrons. This leads to stable hybrid molecule, and this stable hybrid molecule is also called as benzonium ion or aranium ion. Earlier in the first step, we call it as carbocation. This is because of the resonance effect. This forms three resonance structures, and when we combine all these three resonance structures, it forms a resonance hybrid, where there is a distribution of that positive charge is throughout the molecule. This is purely because of the delocalization of pi electrons, or resonance effect, resonance energy, that leads to the molecule called as benzonium ion or aranium ion. This is a more stable, highly reactive molecule. This, in the next step, benzonium ion loses a proton to a bisulfite base,